everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a Twilight 2580. So this is the Twilight 2580, which is an awesome mid-size travel trailer. Coming in at about $45,000 sale price, give or take depending on the options. This has a lot of bang for the buck that I know you guys are gonna like. Right up front here, it's a molded, painted fiberglass front cap, power tongue jack to help get it on and off your truck. That's not super impressive because a lot of trailers have that, but here's what they don't have. They don't have the electric stabilizing jack. So no need to crank like this. When you get to where you're going, all you do is push that button. All your storage can fit up here in this huge pass-through storage. Right down here is a power awning with LED lights. What I love about Twilight is that they use a, instead of using a Luan wood glue material, they use something called Asdel, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. Delamination's the biggest killer of travel trailers.
Yes.
Right here you do have an awesome outside kitchen, and to top off the outside, this unit does come standard with Goodyear tires. Let's take a look at the inside. So when you go inside, we'll do a 360 to the right.
Okay.
And then we're gonna start back here in the bunk bed areas. Nice double over double bunk beds. Good size. There is storage underneath the bunk bed on this side, but not on this side because you do have that outside kitchen. Right over here is a huge bathroom with a 42 by 36 shower. TV entertainment center here with a ton of storage. Very nice. The TV center's right here. And then across, it's from the U-shaped dinette. This U-shaped dinette does drop down to make a bed. You got the windows. There's no lights in here and it's still very bright. Right over here, solid surface countertops in the kitchen. Very nice refrigerator right here. And then to look at that master bedroom, this is a travel trailer that's actually giving you a king size bed. Something else that I want to mention, as you can see, it does have an AC unit up there and an AC unit right there, which is awesome for a travel trailer this size to give you 50 amps. And if you look at my video guy, he is 6'3" and he has plenty of headspace because it is a nice radius roof. Well guys, that's it. Thanks so much for checking out this quick tour. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, click that link down in the bio and a member of our team will reach out to you guys and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.